Hey YouTube, it's TheRealJDoll here on TheRealJDoll's channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 15, not 5, not 10, but 15 ways you can style your knotless box braids, especially when they get to looking a little crunchy at the roots or, you know, along the braid. That way people won't focus on the crunch that's going on. They'll be more focused on the styles that you are rocking with your knotless braids. But first, I do have a couple tips on how I maintain my knotless box braids. Not only my scalp, but my actual hair as well, because even though this is a protective style, you still have to take care of your natural hair. Let me say that again for the people in the back.
Even though this is a protective style, you
still need to take care of your natural hair. Ladies, it's not going anywhere. So I'm going to stop rambling and go ahead and get into this because I have a lot to cover. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Even though the title of this video is 15 ways to style your knotless box braids, I do have maintenance tips in here that I'm about to talk about. But if you want to skip over that, you can just go to this time right here in the video. This is a little timestamp. I'm trying to get you guys what you're here for. So if that's all you came for, go ahead to that time, fast forward, do what you want to do. But I'm about to go ahead and start with these tips on how to maintain your knotless box braids. Wait a minute. Before we even go any further, make sure you hit that subscribe button below because it's too many people watching my videos and not enough people subscribing. So make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, we're going to attack the obvious, which is greasing your scalp. Greasing, oiling, whatever you do, that's what you do. Me personally, I like to oil my scalp. I recommend that you oil your scalp once or twice a week. If you do it any more than that, then your hair might get too oily and then you'll produce more dandruff and build up at your roots, and then you'll have those white crusty dusties going on, and that's not what we want. For my oils, I use the Wild Growth Serum. You've probably seen this on my Natural on a Budget video. If not, I'll link that right there. But this you can get at the hair store and it's like $7, and this is definitely like a go-to. I've been using this for a long time. It definitely helped when it came to bringing my edges back a little bit. I can't say I just got these marvelous results, but I can say that this is a very good product. When I don't use that, I also use this. This is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Grow Restore Hair Serum from Shea Moisture. Dang, I'll just put a PNG right there. So if I'm not using the Wild Growth, I use it. It's really no certain way I determine which one I use, but whatever I'm feeling, that's just what I use in my hair. I definitely like this one. I've been using this for like a year now. It smells good, it feels good on my scalp. It has shea butter and peppermint in it, so that's definitely a plus because, you know, when you put the peppermint in your hair, start getting the tingly feeling that we all love and enjoy, and it helps us feel more refreshed, rejuvenated, and revived. So that's oiling. The second thing that I want to introduce to you guys is mousse. Sometimes if you go to your hairstylist, they'll put mousse on your scalp, or if your hairstylist doesn't do it, you'll probably see it on Instagram or whatever kind of social media. This helps to keep things staying in place. You're not gonna get a lot of frizz with this. Your hair is gonna lay down, but you just pump it, get you like a good size, put it on your hair, and just let it sit there for like 2 to 3 minutes. And that way it'll help, and that'll help moisturize your roots and help lay down the frizzies that you got going on as well. I used a lot of body milk with honey. This is one of their newer lines. I'm only using it because it's the only kind of mousse that I have, because I really don't use mousse. But I use it for my closures and my frontals for when I am laying down my edges. But there are definitely other mousses that you can use as well. This is not the only one, but this is just the one I use because I have it in my closet. Something else that helps control the frizz is gel, the Extreme Wetline Gel, Eco Styler Gel, whatever. If you just are wearing your hair down like this, you could take a little bit of gel, put on your hair, and just lay it down, and this will help hold it as well. You don't want to put too much on it because your hair is going to start curling up, but just use a generous amount of your gel and you will be looking good to a T. Finally, for frizz control, edge control, really this is for edge control because it is an edge control, but the edge booster, this is my favorite edge control because It smells so good. This one smells like strawberry and lemon. And you know how you'll get something, it'll say that's the smell, but it doesn't really smell like that. This legit, y'all, smells like lemon and strawberries. It smells so good. Definitely lays down your baby hairs. Before using this, I was using the Murray's Edge Wax plus a gel, like, combination, and that worked good for my hair too. But I recently just picked this up and I love it so much. So get the edge booster. It's kind of expensive, not too bad, but it's a nice little chunk of change. So now that we're off the frizz, this really goes for taking care of your actual hair. Leave-in conditioner. This light is not letting y'all see anything at all, so I'm gonna have to put another PNG right there. This is the leave-in conditioner. This is the 100% virgin coconut oil from Shea Moisture. I love to use this for my hair because it is really lightweight. You can use whatever leave-in conditioner you want, but you want to make sure that it is not a heavy leave-in conditioner. Like, you didn't even see it because it's so lightweight. And let me get it on my hair. It is so lightweight and it's so good. It smells good. Definitely smells like coconut oil. It helps to moisturize and hydrate your actual hair. It also helps prevent as much break off when you take your hair out. You know how you'll have hair just coming out. This will help prevent that. It's not going to get rid of it completely because you know you shed hair every day. If you didn't know that, that's a fact for you. I forgot how many strands of hair, but I'll put it here, you know, somewhere so y'all can know the facts. But this definitely helps lessen the amount of hair that you're gonna get out. Any leave-in conditioner is cool, just make sure it's lightweight. This is my favorites to use. So that's all maintenance wise. Let's go ahead and get into these hairstyles because I know that's really what you clicked here to see. So for all these styles, you are going to need rubber bands, bobby pins, or a big elastic scrunchie, probably two, but I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into this first hairstyle. And boom, 15 ways to style your knotless box braids. Y'all didn't think I could do it, but I knew I could do it. Had them all together. I hope you like some of them. If you tried some of them, go ahead and do it. Tag me on Instagram and show me what you're working with, sis, because we all, like I said, all have to look good out here together. All right, see you in my next video.